I'm going to show you how you can use the nth term to find terms in a sequence. So in this question it says the nth term of a sequence is given by n squared plus 2. Write down the first 3 terms of this sequence. Okay, so the first 3 terms just means the first 3 numbers in this sequence here. Okay, so if we want to work out the first term, we're looking at position number 1, so when n is equal to 1. So you take your nth term and you replace the letter n by the number 1. Okay, so instead of n squared plus 2, we now have 1 squared plus 2. 1 squared is 1 times 1, which is just 1, so 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 is what we call the first term in this sequence here. Okay, for the second term in this sequence, we have to take when n is 2. Okay, it's the second position in the sequence. So this time we have to replace the letter n with the number 2 instead. Okay, so instead of n squared plus 2, we have 2 squared plus 2. Now 2 squared is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So here is the second term in our sequence, okay? And finally, for the third term in the sequence, we have to take when n is equal to 3, as it's position number 3. So again, you have to replace the letter n with that number, 3. So we're working out 3 squared plus 2. And 3 squared is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay, so here are the first 3 terms of the sequence, 3, 6 and 11.